lower list prices, and I could have added, or should have added, simplicity of doing business. So we've dramatically eased the complexity of contracting for and consuming cloud services. So a universal credit, you buy $1 or let's say $100 of universal credits. If you go to Amazon, they got to tell them in advance, are you going to use this for Redshift? Are you going to use it on the West Coast data center, on the East Coast data center? How much is going to Redshift? How much is going to Aurora? Tell me what services you're using, how much you're going to use, and then we'll calculate your discount and we'll contract for you. And tell me the data center, how much storage, reserve an instance, all of this stuff. You don't do any of that stuff with universal credits. You say, I expect to spend $100,000 over the next 12 months in the cloud. I don't know how much is going to be IaaS. I don't know how much is going to be PaaS. I don't know how much is going to be database. I don't know how much is going to be middleware. I don't know if I'm using the Phoenix data center or the Washington data center or the Frankfurt data center. I'm really not sure. I'm not sure how much is storage and how much is compute and how much is networking, how much of the data is going out of the data center, how much of the data is going inside the data center. Doesn't matter. You don't have to tell us in advance. You don't have to figure out what you're going to consume in advance. You just say, I'd like to contract for $100,000 worth of cloud services, and then you use any of our cloud services on demand. You're entitled to use anything at all. And if you use IaaS, you get billed for IaaS. If you use PaaS, you get database PaaS, you get billed for database PaaS. If you use more storage, and you get billed for more storage. But you don't have to, in advance, figure out what you're going to buy. Let's say we offer a brand new service. We offer a brand new service like the Oracle Autonomous Database, which is going to be delivered in December. And you said, well, gee, I need to sign a new contract or a contract amendment so I can use this brand new. No, your one contract entitles you to use all existing services and all new services as they appear. You do not have to contract again. That single pool of funds can be applied to anything you want to use. You can move your data from one data center to another without telling us. You can cancel a service without telling us, and reapply that money to another service. You have complete flexibility in doing this. The contract is incredibly simple. All you simply say is how much you're going to spend in a year, and dollar volumes determine your discount, and whether it's a monthly commitment or an annual commitment. We're done. Obviously, there are reliability SLAs like the 99.995 SLA that we're very proud of for the autonomous database. There'll be all these reliability SLAs, and I'm sure some companies want to negotiate, specific SLAs and limitations in liability and those kind of things. But in terms of the actual business terms are very, very simple. Dollar volume determines discount. Annual dollar volume determines discount. Use any service you want. Single contract vehicle. Expand, move, cancel, try anything new. All incredibly simple to do with universal credits. Next slide. Okay, this is just kind of what I said. What we've had up until now is pay as you go. So some companies, this is fine for a lot of people. So they just want to use services on demand. When they consume a service, they then pay for it. Some companies, large corporations, government agencies, would like to negotiate discounts, and we're able to grant discounts based on the more you buy, the more you use, the lower the price. And we're able to do that either with an annual commitment or a monthly commitment. And the discounts, when you say, I'm going to spend this much per year, we lower PaaS by 10%. This is for a one-year contract. We lower PaaS by 10% and IaaS by 5%. If you say, I'm going to commit so much per month, and lower IaaS by 15%. Next slide. again, I think this just repeats all the things I said. The great thing about this is you commit to a simple dollar volume, an annual or a monthly term, and you have total flexibility to consume or not consume whatever you want. To start consuming, stop consuming, move locations, etc. Next slide. Nobody else has this. If it's not, Amazon is closer than anybody else. Amazon provides more flexibility, but they're not very close. My expectations is other cloud suppliers, cloud vendors will move to this kind of contracting vehicle and consumption model, but we're the first. We're trying to simplify this, and we think this has a lot of immediate benefits. The other cloud suppliers are not there yet. Next slide. Okay, in summary, it's a fairly simple message. Through automation, by providing a lot more automation, we're making it very easy to move to the cloud. I mean, it's very interesting now to move a data warehouse to the cloud with a fully autonomous database. It is literally move the data over and you're done. So automation makes it easy to move to the cloud, as well as making it, because again, the software automatically configures, Data Guard automatically configures, Rack automatically configures. It installs the latest version of the software, it installs the latest patch set, all automatically without human intervention. That makes it really easy to move a workload from on-prem to the cloud. We've lowered PaaS prices. We lowered the cost of this automation dramatically by letting you reuse your existing investment in your licenses. Again, a very simple pricing model, very low aggressive PaaS prices for the PaaS automation, plus huge cost benefits for running faster. The fact is, again, we run the database, especially, much faster than at Amazon. And now what much faster means much less expensive. If we run something in half the time, you consume half the CPU, that means it's half the price. Performance and cost are directly correlated. And the universal credits, again, you come in, try the cloud, try different services, keep using the stuff you like, stop using the stuff you don't like. You don't even have to tell us. That's it. Thank you very much, and I'll see you later.
I mean, for Oracle, we're making it easier and more affordable for customers to move to cloud, while also providing flexibility and choice in how they use cloud, what they use in the cloud, and where they can use cloud, as Larry had said. And for all customers, we're providing universal access to all current and future Oracle PaaS and IaaS services. And again, spanning Oracle Public Cloud as well as Cloud at Customer. And finally, additionally, for our existing customers, they benefit from licensed mobility, unlocking even greater value of the investments that they've already made in Oracle on-prem, being able to bring that to cloud. And ultimately, we do all this while also providing more automation, higher performance, and lower prices. We believe that customers don't have to make those trade-offs. We believe they don't have to make hard choices between those. We believe in a cloud without compromise for our customers, right? So we heard some really exciting announcements today, and we hope that you'll all join us in less than 2 weeks. We're gonna have many more exciting announcements spanning our intelligent cloud applications, our full SaaS suite. We're gonna hear more announcements around our next generation cloud platform that spans our solutions around PaaS and IaaS. And we'll talk about our innovations around emerging technologies in all different areas. We'll also see an innovation showcase that will be highlighting work that's done by students, by startups, by our enterprise customers, as well as Oracle. So we're really excited about that. We'll also have over 2,500 sessions that are being put on by our partners as well as customers. Well, they'll be talking about real solutions based on Oracle technology that are solving real problems and are creating business value today. And then finally, we hope you can join us on October 4th at AT&T Park for our customer appreciation and networking event, where the Chainsmokers and Ellie Goulding will be performing. And if you don't know who they are, just go ask your kids, and I promise you, you'll get like a lot of credit for that. We'll be taking questions upstairs. We're happy to answer questions on any part of what Larry discussed today. And with that, again, I'd like to thank you for your time, and we hope to see you all at Open World. Thank you so much.